Okay, so finally I took this piece apart. I ground that connection, and probably just in my case, or maybe I did it wrong, but it's supposed to come out differently. It has like two aluminum rings inside. Right here you can see 1 and 2, and it should be probably attached to this metal piece, but in my case it was coming out impossibly, almost, I think. So I just take this piece out of the phone, and after I just grind it and took this piece out. So right now I will be able to put new glass with a glue, and I'm gonna order new frame so it will look like new, and glue it together. I'm gonna use B7000. So pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.